All right, so we're gonna clean up one more loose end, and if you watched the last video, you saw that, in fact, if someone types in join or capital join, lowercase join, either way, they get added to the list twice, and we really don't want to have the same number in more than once. So, for instance, if I type in join again, 556, phone 556, now I've got that phone number in the list 3 times. Okay, so we got to fix this. So let's go back over to our blocks and notice that no matter what, if the message text is join, we add the person to the list. And really, we want to check and make sure they're not in the list before we do that. In fact, before we do all these kinds of things. So what we're going to use is a nested if-else. So I'm going to go back to the control drawer, grab another if-else, and it's going to nest right inside here. Okay? And so I'm only going to make this check if indeed the person texted me join. Okay? And my test is going to be using another list operation. Okay? And the list operation is in list. And what I want to check to see is, I want to know if this phone number, the number of the person that just texted me, if it's already in the list. So I'm going to go to my blocks, my definitions, grab number, okay, and I want to know if it's in the broadcast list. Okay, if it's in the broadcast list, I am not going to do this stuff, right? But if it's not, I am going to do this stuff. Okay, so the question is, if someone texts me join and their number's already in the list, we need to tell them something. Okay, so what I'm going to do is at least copy this block, Command C and Command V. Okay, and what I'm going to do is just kind of give them a little error message. You are already in this group. Okay, and we could make that error message better, but basically, if they text in join, they're already in the list. We'll send them that message. Okay, if not, we'll add them to the list and do our regular thing. Okay, let's see how it works. If I bring the emulators back up, and I guess I could restart the app to clear this list, but let's just test it. What we want to know is if I type in join again, what will happen? So here I am at 5556. If I type in join again, we don't want it to once again be added to the list. So let's see what happens. When I send it, it got sent, and in fact it responded with you are already in this list, and notice the list didn't grow, so it didn't add it to the list again. Okay, so I think our fix worked.